Find or read reviews that people are talking about. Firsting 2000 amp car battery jump starter. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Powerful battery jump starter. This car jump starter boasts a peak current of 2000 amp, capable of starting 6.0-liter gasoline or 3.0-liter diesel engines in 12-volt vehicles within seconds. Equipped with a high-performance forced start function, it aids in jump-starting a depleted car battery. The powerful high-rate polymer lithium-ion battery booster can jump-start a vehicle up to 20 times on a full charge. Highly safety. Safety was at the forefront of our emergency starter's design. It features a secure and user-friendly smart clamp with reverse polarity protection, overcharge protection, overload protection, and short-circuit protection, ensuring the safety of your vehicle and starter during use. Versatile. The car starter is designed with two USB outputs, 5V/2 amp and 9V/2 amp, quickly charging your smartphone, tablet, and other mobile devices via the 3.0 USB port. LED flashlight. Integrated 100-lumen LED flashlight with 3 LED light modes, strobe, emergency flashlight, and SOS light. A multifunctional flashlight suitable for camping, outdoor, indoor, emergency, travel and more. Compatibility. The emergency starter is suitable for vehicles with up to 6.0 liters gasoline or 3.0 liter diesel engines. It's a versatile solution for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, or tractors. Any 12-volt vehicle. Advanced design. Our most advanced car battery charger emergency starter yet. It uses high discharge lithium technology for safe operation in extreme climates -4 to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The rubber-coated molded carrying case prevents surface scratches or damage. Its ultra-compact, lightweight design weighs only 2.2 pounds. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.